Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see basic electrical, electronics and instrumentation engineering lab manual for all engineering branches under Anna University. This is prepared by Mohan Raj, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we are going to see experiment 3 characteristics of common base configuration. Before that, we must know about the transistor. A transistor is a semiconductor device using to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. Transistors are one of the basic building blocks of modern electronics. It is composed of semiconductor material, usually with at least 3 terminals for connection to an external circuit. A transistor is a miniature electronic component that can do two different jobs. It can work either as an amplifier or as a switch. A tiny electric current flow through one part of the transistor can make a much bigger current flow through another part of it. In other words, the small current switches on a large one. Transistor. Type of transistors are: the primary transistor is the BJT and FET is the modern version of transistor. The type of BJT are NPN and PNP transistor. The FET is a unipolar device, which means that is made using either P-type or N-type material. Common emitter configuration. The common emitter amplifier is the 3 basic single stage bipolar junction transistor, and it is used as a voltage amplifier. The input of this amplifier is taken from the base terminal. The output is collected from the collector terminal, and the emitter terminal is common for both the terminals. Aim to obtain common emitter characteristics of NPN transistor. Components required are transistor BC107, resistor 1 kilo ohms, digital multimeter, regulator power supply, and breadboard and some connecting wires. This is the circuit diagram of the common emitter configuration. You can see the emitter is connected common to the base side and also collector side. These are the photos of some electronic components. You can see BC107 transistor, breadboard, resistor 1 kilo ohms, and dual power supply, that is RPS, regulated power supply, 0 to 30 volt. And here there are different types of meters: digital multimeter, analog voltmeter, and ammeter. This is the tabulation for input characteristics, and this is the output characteristics tabulation column. Experiment procedure for the input characteristics. Connect circuit as shown in the circuit diagram. For input characteristics, connect variable power supply 0 to 30 volt at base circuit and the collector circuit. Keep VCC fixed at 0 volt or to your own value, say 0 to 15 volts. For increase VBB from 0 to 20 volt, note down readings of base current IB and base to emitter voltage VBE in the observation table. Repeat above procedure for VCC equal to 5 volt and VCC equal to 10 volt or any value of your own. Draw input characteristics curve. Plot VBB, VBE on x-axis and IB on y-axis. And procedure for output characteristics. Connect circuit as shown in the circuit diagram. Connect variable power supply 0 to 30 volt at base circuit and collector circuit. Keep IB base current fixed, initially 0 or between 0 to 15 milliamps. Increase VCC from 0 volt to 30 volt. Note down the readings of collector current IC and collector to emitter voltage VCE in the observation table. Repeat the above procedure for base current IB equal to 2 milliamps, 4 milliamps up to 15 milliamps. Increase base current by increasing VBB. Draw output characteristics curve. Plot VCE on x-axis and IC on y-axis. This is the model graph of the input characteristics. This is the model graph of the output character. And this is the sample reading taken by us in our laboratory. You can see IB equal to 2 milliamps and VC is found and IC is found. And for IB equal to 4 milliamps, VC is found and IC is found, and so on. IB equal to 6 milliamps. And this is the graph drawn for the output characteristics between IC and VCE. And for the second reading and for the 3 readings. Here the output characteristics drawn as per the reading are taken by us in our laboratory. You can see the output characteristics graph is not as the model graph. The sample reading in the tabulation was taken by any times for the same value to check its correctness. You can also do the experiment of your own and see if it is if the graph is equal to the model graph. This is the sample readings taken for the input characteristics in our laboratory. We can see VCE equal to 2 volt and VC equal to 4 volt and VC equal to 6 volt. For that we found out VBE and IB. And also input characteristics of the common emitter graph is drawn. You can see this graph is correct for the model graph, is equal to the model graph. For this first reading, second reading, and for the 3 readings, we have drawn the input characteristics of the common emitter. Result. Thus, we obtain common emitter characteristics of BC107 transistor. Some application of common emitter configuration. The common emitter circuit is popular because it is well suited for voltage amplifier, especially at low frequencies, and it is also used in radio frequency transceiver circuits and commonly used in low noise amplifiers. And some Viva-wise questions are given here. What is the use of common emitter configuration? What is common emitter configuration? What is the current gain of common emitter configuration? 4. What is the use of common base configuration? Why is emitter grounded? What is the application of BJT in common emitter configuration? Thank you.